Hello everyone, we are doing chapter sound of class 8th. Students, today we will discuss the topic applications of ultrasound. As ultrasound are the sound waves whose frequencies lie above 20 kHz are called ultrasound. Next, applications of ultrasound. First application is in sonar. Second, ultrasound in medicine, ultrasonic cleansers, and detecting flaws in metals. Students, let's discuss first application in sonar. Sonar is a device used for determining water depth and locating underwater objects. As the word sonar stands for sound navigation and ranging. Sonar consists of a transmitter and a receiver. The transmitter emits an ultrasonic waves in seawater in all directions. These waves are received by detector or receiver after reflection from an enemy submarines, sunken ship, etc. And students, this method is known as echo depth sounding. Next application is in medicine. Ultrasound is used to monitor the growth of fetus unborn baby inside the mother's womb. For this, ultrasonic scanner is used to get the image. In this technique, the ultrasonic waves travel and reflected back. These waves are then converted into electrical signals to generate image. These images then displayed on the monitor. Students, and ultrasound is also used to investigate the internal organs of human body such as liver, kidney, brain and pancreas. An ultrasound scan is used to examine the internal body structures and also where the hemorrhaging occurs. It is possible to identify the bleeding area and estimating the blood loss. Ultrasound is also used to break small stones formed in the kidneys into fine grains. These grains later get flushed out with urine. Ultrasound is also used to remove brain tumor. Neurosurgeons use a device called the Cavitron ultrasonic surgical aspirator, which generates ultrasonic waves in the range of 23 kHz. As the tip of this device is small, so it can cut out the brain tumor without damaging the healthy tissues. Next application is ultrasonic cleansers. It is used to clean parts located in hard to reach places. It is specially used by jewelers and scientists. The ultrasonic cleanser consists of metal tank, cleansing solution, ultrasonic transmitter, and ultrasonic vibrations. The objects to be cleaned is placed in the cleansing solution and ultrasonic waves are sent into the solution. Due to high frequency and these waves cause a rapid pressure temperature change and cause a phenomenon called cavitation. The cavitation bubbles grows and implode and the implosion creates a cleansing effect. Next application is ultrasounds are used in detecting flaws in metals. Students, ultrasonic waves are allowed to pass through metal block and detectors are used to detect the flaws. Even if there is small defect, the ultrasound gets reflected back, indicating the presence of defect. Students, this is all for today. Thank you.